Tired of users knocking on your N8n door with different credentials? Let's unlock the secrets of multiple sign-in options. First, navigate to your N8n instance and access the Settings panel. This is your control center for authentication configurations. Locate the Authentication section. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to define and manage various sign-in methods. Now, explore the available OAuth2 providers. Popular choices like Google and GitHub can be easily integrated for seamless user access. For a more tailored approach, delve into custom authentication methods. This gives you the freedom to implement unique sign-in flows specific to your environment. Consider implementing role-based authentication, directing users to different workflows based on their credentials. This enhances security and streamlines access. Test your configurations thoroughly to ensure a smooth and secure user experience. A well-configured system boosts both security and user satisfaction. And don't forget to consult the N8n Community and Documentation for additional guidance and advanced configurations. Your peers are a wealth of knowledge. You've now unlocked the power of multiple sign-in options in N8n, enhancing your platform's versatility and security.